If you're looking for a small and very reliable power station to power your outdoor adventures, this guy is it. This is a pure sine wave 200 watt AC output. It has a 240 watt lithium iron phosphate battery. That lithium iron phosphate battery is going to take almost 2,000 charges before you start to lose any of the battery performance inside. You have 3 USB outlets in front. One of them is a QC. You have one USB-C output that is a PD45, multiple 12 volt outlets that you can change with the included adapters to a cigarette lighter style, or you can use a car cigarette lighter to charge this unit, or you can simply plug it in with the included adapter and it will simply charge. You also have a built-in MPPT if you'd like to solar charge this, so it will charge at the fastest rate possible. If you just want to plug anything in here, you can charge your phones and use the output at the same time. We have everything going here, and then we can plug in our fan, turn on the AC, and we have everything running. This is a great little unit, lightweight, easy to carry. It'll power a lot of things for a decent period of time, and it's something that most of you guys should think about having if you're camping, fishing, hunting, anything in the outdoors. It's very affordable. Check it out on Amazon.
Hello everybody, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be looking at the Jackery Explorer 240. This battery pack is awesome. It's going to help you in a lot of places, especially if you're camping. So this is the front side. As you can see, there's a display right here with various outputs and inputs. There's 2 USBs in the middle, each with 5 volts. And on the right side, there's a 110 volt AC plug in right there. And then as you can see, there's no other plugins on the back or anything like that, but it's a very sleek design. So the Jackery comes with these 2 cables as well. These are the charging cables. So these are very, very important cables. So right here, you can plug it into the input on the left side of the battery pack. And what that does is simply charge the battery. And they even included a car adapter. So if you're in the car on your road trip, maybe you're headed to the campsite, you can charge it in the car and get those few extra battery percentage points. So what I absolutely love about this Jackery power block is that it pairs excellent with their Jackery solar panel. So this right here is the solar panel on the left, and as you can see, it comes with this long cable right here, and that plugs into the same input spot as the chargers that I just showed you in the previous clip. And so what this allows you to do is to actually charge your Jackery power block in the wilderness. All you need is some sunlight. So this thing is awesome. It charges pretty quick. I'll show you how that works. You just plug it in right here and it lights up on the display and it's charging. It's actually amazing. So the Jackery solar panel has a reserve charge as well. So even if you're not in the sunlight for a while, if it built up that solar power, then it can be used at any time. What's also great about it is even while it's charging with the solar panel, you can plug in other devices and they will still work. And basically create a full circuit where the sun goes into the battery goes into the fan right here, and it just will never stop because there's always that constant solar power. So here's the full circuit in motion. As you can see, it works excellent. I hope you guys check this out and have a wonderful day.